Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan from MPIinvest.com and welcome back to our morning market report. Well, yesterday the Nifty plunged by 218 points to finally settle at 16,954, which was lower than 17,000. But yes, like I informed you yesterday, I am still happy that 16,800 has not been breached yet. But yes, we could see the entire global negative cues from global market, which has been weak, seen on the market. But then the major support did come in from ICICI, which came out with great results last week. And also support came in from HDFC Twins, which ensured that the market was much more stable and did not fall beyond 16,800. So this actually seems good. And in fact, after that, things have totally changed. But before I talk to you about the global markets, if I talk to you about yesterday, the FIS have sold for 3,302 crores, while the DIIs continued to support the market by buying for 1,870 crores. So in fact, the FIS continue their selling spree even now. So, is this the trend to continue? But like I said, until the 16,800 mark is breached, I am not bearish yet. So, coming to the market today, if you look at the global markets, in fact, there was a big dramatic change in the US market yesterday. Yes, yesterday evening, as the US market opened, I saw a big fall, and when I got to bed, I was thinking that can we see a much bigger fall today? But then, as I woke up and checked, the US market had a big recovery. Yes, a 500 point fall in Dow Jones yesterday, and from there it went up 500 again up, and then another 200 points to close 200 points plus yesterday. Imagine the rally. In fact, 500 points down and 700 points up. It was a big volatile day that was seen there, and finally I'm happy to say that Dow Jones ended in green, up 0.7%. Even S&P 500 was up 0.6%, and the Nasdaq was the top gainer, up 1.3%, majorly supported by Twitter. Yes, so Twitter board has announced that they have finally accepted Elon Musk offer to take over Twitter. So that itself has given power to Nasdaq, and that's exactly how we could see even major other companies like Microsoft and Google gaining along with Facebook and which is Meta. And with all this, the Nasdaq closed up at 1.3%. Just for your information, the Musk buyout deal for Twitter is valued at $44 billion. So this is something which is expected good, but this buyout detail has come just before Twitter results coming up this week. In fact, though the results are not expected to be great, this a possibility of Elon Musk taking over Twitter is what supporting Nasdaq right now. So apart from that, we could see the crude oil prices going down and settling below $100, which is good news for India. In fact, the reason is simple because Chinese market is actually still in doldrums with rising COVID cases, and this actually has given some fears in the market that this could actually slow down the economy worldwide. So things are again on focusing on the COVID side. Even if you look at India, even Indian COVID numbers have started increasing of late, which actually possibly can give a small fear of the next wave of COVID coming in. Let us just pray and keep ourselves safe. Ensure that you wear mask even now, because at least now things have started getting changed and people have started forgetting COVID. Kind of that's what I see around my place. So let us stay protected. Let us stay safe and ensure that this doesn't spread again and put the economy into doldrums again. Now, something really important I would like to announce is that finally there are rumors that LIC IPO is confirmed to be starting from May 4th. So that could actually go on till May 9th, and this is something which is keeping the insurance industry that's slightly downwards. So we could see all major insurance companies down yesterday, but then along with that we also have SDFC Life coming up with results today, which I'll talk about a little later. Yesterday we could see TVS Motors rallying majorly because of their partnership with Petronas, which is a oil manufacturing company. And in fact, the new team, racing team, has been renamed as Petronas TVS Racing. So this is going to be India's first factory racing team, and which is giving positivity to TVS Motors. Apart from that, even if you see, we could see a general positivity in the auto sector, majorly because the chip shortage that we've been speaking about in the auto sector has actually eased out, and the supplies have eased out, and because of which now the companies are able to bring in good variants. So I had informed you earlier, since the chip had a shortage, most companies were sticking to lower variant models because higher variant models with a lot of features required more chips. So now that things are easing out, the higher variant cars are also coming out. And just for your information, every manufacturer, automobile manufacturer, makes more profit in a higher variant. Yes. So when you buy a higher variant car with more features, that is where they get higher profit. So till now, the profitability was also stuck because of this reason of chip shortage. Now that this has been eased out, we could see some profitability in the auto sector also coming back. Apart from that, we also have some major automotive results coming up like Maruti and all, which is expected in this week. Now, if you look at the major results that are going to come up today, so we have Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life Insurance Company, Mahindra Logistics, IFL Securities, Tata Coffee, Tata Teleservices, and United Breweries. So these are among some of the major stocks which would announce their results today. In fact, if you look at Bajaj Finance, things are actually looking good in terms of the profit, because it is expected to grow almost 70%. But then there are also news that the new loans are down by 15%. So this is something that we need to watch out today. If Bajaj Finance comes up with good results, probably we could see some more positivity in the finance sector and the NBFC sector. So some of our favorite stocks like Shriram Transport Finance has not been really performing well. So that could actually get some power once we could see some positivity here. Now coming to HDFC Life, which is another major results that will be announced today. There is news that premiums from new business will be on a high of about 10%, right? So even we could see that this is something that can be positivity, giving positivity to the insurance industry. So let us have a look at these two stocks in results today. But apart from that, like I told you, to summarize the day, things are looking positive. SGX Nifty is indicating a big gap up opening at 17,120. Yes, so that's almost more than 150 points up from what the market closed yesterday. So it is very important that market stays up above 17,000. A close above 17,000 can give me some more confidence, going in to take some trades on the long side. But if the close still doesn't happen above 17,000 today, then we will have to look at probably a sideways market with huge volatility, with the monthly expiry coming up this Thursday. So these are things that can be expected in the market today. So with that, let us look forward to a great day in the market. I am sure members in Gold, Silver Plus and Gold Plus are sitting with some positions in slight loss, though not booked, could see some profits today when the market opens in a positive manner. In fact, to all the Gold Club members and Silver Club members, do remember to book some partial profit today when the market opens with a gap up. You can leave the rest of the positions to have some good profits in the coming days. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. But before that, do press the like button to support us and put up your feedbacks and comments below to help us reply back to you soon. So see you in the post-market report in the evening. Bye.